Hello, Sarah. I hope you're doing well today.
Hi, Thomas. I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I have to tell you that our students love to learn new advanced words and phrases. I'm so happy they can learn and improve their English. That's why today we have a special class. I know many of you like to travel to different places, so I'm going to teach you some advanced phrases for travel experiences.
That sounds great. I'm excited to learn some new phrases.
For example, my flight was overbooked means there were too many passengers and not enough seats. It happened to me last time I bought a ticket to London, but my flight was overbooked. We had to stay in a hotel, but luckily it was a nice hotel and we, the passengers, had a great time.
I see. That must have been an interesting experience.
Yes, it was. Another expression you may not know is I was jet lagged. Do you know what it means?
Yes, I do. It means feeling tired because of the time zone difference between my origin and destination.
That's right. Another expression you may not know is my hotel was in a city area. City means possibly unsafe.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for letting me know.
No problem. It's important to be aware of these things when traveling. Another expression I hope never happens to you is I was robbed on the street. I got the runs, which means something very disgusting. It means I have diarrhea. It happened to me when I traveled to Asia. I ate something in the street and I had stomach problems.
Oh, that sounds terrible. I'll be careful when I travel.
Yes, it's always important to be careful. Now let's move on to some idioms. It's as light as a feather, which means something is very light. It's as dry as a bone. It's as flat as a pancake. When someone is crazy, you say he's as mad as a hornet. When something is fast, it's as quick as lightning.
These are very useful phrases. Thank you for teaching them to me.
You're welcome, Sarah. Now let's talk about some emotional expressions. Flying high means very happy. For example, she's flying high after a successful product launch. Pump it up means very excited about something. For example, he's pumped up for his first half marathon race this weekend. Be down in the dumps has a sad meaning, to feel unhappy or without hope.
These phrases are really helpful. I'll use them in my conversations.
Great. I'm glad to hear that. And if you want more advanced phrases and expressions, feel free to ask me anytime.